Yeah, this is Mustapha. Yeah, this is a wonderful boy. The boy that did not learn how to repair MP3 and any type of MP3 you bring to him, the boy with any fault, the boy is going to clear the fault, and the MP3 is going to work again. It's going to rework. Can you see the work of Mustapha? He did not learn at all. He has been doing this thing right from his small age, like the age of that kind 6-7 years old. Can you see him? How is repairing MP3 engine? You can change one battery or original battery or new battery to MP3 that the battery is not working again, the condemned battery. We will remove the battery systematically and now replace it with another new battery. When tested, the MP3 is going to work fine. He has did this thing many times in my presence. In fact, Mustapha is in my shop. Mustapha is a magical boy. Let me see all this thing clearly. Mustapha is a magical boy. He did not learn the work. He did not learn anything pertaining to electronics. But Mustapha can repair any type of MP3, no matter how small it is, no matter how big it is. Mustapha is a wonderful boy, well talented from God. Can you see him repairing MP3? There's one here. Can you see the casing of one here? He's repairing one the other side here. Let me show the other one that Mustapha is repairing. He has loosed all this MP3 down. Can you see it? You can see the battery. You can see the speaker. You can see the housing. You can see some wires. Then you can see. In fact, Mustapha did not have instrument. Mustapha is using my. Is it not star screwdriver? Can you see him? So I'm advising Mustapha to buy his own instrument. He did not get any instrument at all. So whenever you collect MP3 to repair, you carry the MP3 to my shop, repair it. I will borrow Mustapha instrument. I've been advising Mustapha over 1 year now, over a year or 2 years now. Mustapha, buy your own instrument. You see, there's no money, and Mustapha is getting money. Can you see? But I'm not showing Mustapha because purposely of that one. I'm showing Mustapha because of the talent he has. Because I am a father to Mustapha. So he's using my instrument. Because I have the instrument, Mustapha refused to buy his own instrument, but he can repair. Can you see him? He's repairing. Mustapha, kí ló ń ṣe níbi ilé kí ló bàjẹ́ ńbẹ̀?
Níbi.
Sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa.
Níbi ẹ́ńjìnì yìí. Eléyìí ló wà ńbẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, but ó ti yọ.
Kí ló wà ńbẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀?
Ìwé eléyìí ló wà ńbẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀.
I'm asking Mustapha that what is he trying to repair in this one? Touch the one that spoiled there, the part that spoiled there before. For okay, you talk about the yeah, you see the one he showed you now. He said this one is spoiled there before. But kí ló fẹ́ ṣe sí? Then he has to work another wire there again. Can you see it? He said he remains one now that's going to put there. So the then I'm asking whether he's getting logic to repair. He says very soon now the engine will work. He said very soon the engine will work. So that is how he used to do it in my shop. So Mustapha is trying. So somebody on the grinding machine beside us said that is why the nuts occupy everywhere. Yeah, but you don't mind. Try to listen very well. You are going to hear all everything I'm saying about Mustapha. Can you see Mustapha now? You see him repairing. You see the panel? So Mustapha can remove anything from the panel and replace it back. Very wonderful boy. Very wonderful boy. Kí ló ń ṣe yẹn?
Ẹ bọ ẹ.
Ṣé o jẹ́ fún mi? Okay, he's trying to remove the cover of the wire so that it will make it naked for him to be able to use it properly. Láti bọ̀ ẹ lè láti ẹ̀jọ̀ ìṣòro. Gbọ́ kò ní bá ti yẹn. Okay. Tó bá ń bọ̀ tó bá rẹ̀ gùsí. So Mustapha is very busy, very busy. Can you see now? The torch has worked. Can you see? Point for transmit direct. Can you see the torch light? The torch has worked now. Yeah, direct ẹsẹ̀gbẹ́ mi kọjú ẹsẹ̀gbẹ́ kan. Can you see? The torch has worked now. Can you see it? Mustapha is not relenting. He's busy doing the job. He's busy repairing the parts in the electronics and the MP3. Can you see him? He can change any part that's spoiled and replace it with another one. The Mustapha has repaired different type of MP3 in my shop, different types. That is why it is too late for me to bring Mustapha out. Mustapha has repaired more than 100 MP3 different types in my shop, because before I can show somebody in my own channel, before I can show you on my own page, I must have seen that you have repaired different type of electronics. You have done wonderful job in the field you belongs to. So before I can have the guts to bring you out to show you off to the public that you have the talent, you have your ways in doing all these things systematically, logically, and after finishing, the engine is going to work fine again. Yeah, let us see him coupling the MP3 now. Ṣé pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́ má rush you, ṣé pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀lẹ́. So I'm trying to advise him not to rush because of the camera. Do it gently so that the way you used to do it before, when tested, you cover it up, it's going to work fine like a new one again. So Mustapha is well naturally talented. He did not learn the job at all. He did not learn anything. In fact, Mustapha is a shoemaker. Mustapha is a shoemaker, but he have the knowledge on this MP3, different type of MP3, no matter automatic, manual. Mustapha is going to repair it for you. Watch carefully. This boy have been doing this thing when he was very, very small. Very, very small. He continued doing the job. There was time he wanted to quit with the job. I said, no, keep it up. Keep doing it because he's a shoemaker. But he still have the talent on repairing MP3 different type. Varieties. No matter the type of MP, when spoil bring it to Mustapha, Mustapha is going to repair it for you. There are some things that used to surprise me in Mustapha. When somebody throw MP3 condemn one into the dustbin, Mustapha will go there and pick it. When he pick it, he will bring the MP3 back to life. And some of these MP3 have been taken to some of this radionic. After inspecting the MP3, the radionic will now tell them that it's condemned one. They will try their best on it. The MP3 will not work. They will now throw it in the dustbin. When Mustapha see this kind of MP3, he will bring it to my shop. He may spend like 1 hour, 2 hours, or at times 3 hours on the one. After every the MP3 is going to work fine again. Let us watch and see the head of this one. Maybe this one will take him a very long time to repair, to finish. Maybe it's going to take him a very short time to repair it and finish it. I cannot decide. He himself cannot decide. Yes, because of the electronics used to give different type of errors. When you repair, maybe it's a battery problem, you repair the battery finish, maybe the speaker may not work again, you still need to settle everything back so that the MP3 is going to work like a new one again. Let us keep on watching. Let us keep on being with Mustapha. Nature ball. This is natural ball. Well talented, naturally talented. He did not learn the job at all. Mustapha is a shoemaker, but I have the mind to make him money. My money. What you want to do? Jẹ́ kó kọjá Mustapha. Kó gbà rẹ̀ Mustapha. Only one thing I'm advising Mustapha for is not to lose the MP3. Lose it down and now say later I want to repair it, I will come back for it. No, I don't use to accept from Mustapha. Whenever you collect the job from any customer or I collect the job for him, I have to sit him down. When he starts it, he's going to finish it that very day and the MP3 is going to work fine. I did not give him advice not to lose all these properties down and say tomorrow I will come for it. No, when you are not ready, you don't lose it. That is what the advice I used to give Mustapha, and he used to take to my advice because Mustapha is my child. Can you see, I've been advising Mustapha to buy his own sellotape. Mustapha will now be taking sellotape from my table. Can you see him now? He did not have special masking tape. He did not have it. Má bọ̀ tẹ̀ kankan má jẹ́ kọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ọkọ̀ ojú rẹ̀ o sún mọ́ dáadáa. You see the masking tape I used to borrow Mustapha. Can you see? So I used to give Mustapha, he will cut little out of this masking tape for his own work. Mustapha cannot buy instrument. Can you see? I've been advising him since. But Mustapha can repair any type of MP3. He can repair any type of MP3. Just follow him step by step. Don't rush him. Just leave him alone. Let him continue doing it one step after the other. Mustapha is going to result into better. I'm telling you sincerely. Ó máa rí ṣe ní ṣá. Sẹ́yìn ò máa ro ẹ̀ ọwọ́ tí ń ro ẹ́ ọba tó gbé síbi náà máa ṣó ilé yìí ṣó bí inú ọ̀la ń dá padà ẹni tó kéde ṣó ọ̀la ẹ̀ tó dá padà lọ́dọ̀ ń dá padà lọ́dọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n lè láì dé ibi mẹ́rin. Mustapha is trying to inspect one after the other, inspecting one part of the one part among the panel, trying to examine it one by one before joining, before cutting, before attaching. Try to watch carefully. If I can join two together, I need to think very well. I know the type of thing you want to do before making this add on it. Electronic work is not a small job. It's not a thing that you can just jump into it unless you want to condemn the whole engine. Yeah, I'm telling you sincerely, you cannot jump anyhow in repairing the electronics unless you go for the training, real training from the real people, from the real company. I'm telling you sincerely, if you do not go for the real company, you are likely to condemn all the electronics brought to you for repairs. I'm telling you sincerely. But in the case of Mustapha, he has been doing this thing right from his small age. Right from his small age. Yeah, and I keep on advising him not to quit with the job because he did not learn it at all. He did not learn at all. Kí ló mú yẹn? Èwo ló fẹ́ lò?
Eléyìí.
Èwo ló fẹ́ lò sí? Okay. Ṣé pàtì ẹ̀ ló fẹ́ yọ? Complete panel ẹ̀ ló fẹ́ lò? So wá lè parí yẹn láìpẹ́ báyìí. Òye tó wákàtí kan. I'm trying to ask him whether I can finish the job very quick. He said he's going to try his best under 1 hour to make sure the MP3 will work again. But electronic repair is not a thing you can just be rushing. You can just be doing anyhow. You cannot just be cutting wire anyhow, joining wire anyhow, removing parts anyhow. No, it's a thing you have to test. Mustapha has no any method that is going to use to test the part, but he himself only knows the way he tests the part that is working fine and is going to get it right. He is the one only knows how he managed to know whether one part is condemned, is not condemned. But at the end of the day, when Mustapha finishes doing the job, you are going to see that the MP3 is going to work fine. The touchlight there is going to work fine. If I thought the MP3 have the touchlight. At times the speaker that is not working fine before, Mustapha is going to put everything right. The speaker is going to sound very well. So, and he's going to arrange everything in a way when he couples everything up finish. When you inspect around the engine, you might not even see where Mustapha has losing the MP3 cover or making try to call, maybe to spoil or to have any injury on the casing. No, Mustapha knows the way he handle everything properly. I know this secret because Mustapha used to repair all these things in my own shop. That is why I have the real knowledge about Mustapha. Mustapha is going for another thing, which I cannot ask him now because I don't know what he's going for. So let us wait a little bit and see, and wait for him to come back. So thank you, all my followers, all my subscribers, all my loved ones. The reason why I show Mustapha on my page, on my channel, is that I want people to know Mustapha, and I want to encourage Mustapha to continue with the job he's doing. He has been doing this thing almost 6 years ago now, when it was very, very, very small. People used to be surprised in my environment, seeing Mustapha repairing all type of MP3. Now Mustapha is coming back. Maybe we are going to do that one as part 2 because I'm still going for another work now. Let us do that one as part 2. Mustapha is coming back to complete the engine. So when he completes the engine, you are going to see it in another video. Yeah, this is Master BCM TV. Follow my page, subscribe to my channel. Press the notification button for you to see the next videos. Yeah, follow me on the Facebook, Master BCM TV on Facebook. Then Master BCM TV on YouTube. You follow me up there. You can be able to see the next video Mustapha is going to produce.